Brittney McWilliams thought she just had the flu until she began coughing up live worms. Desperate to know what's wrong, Brittney goes to her primary care physician.
The doctor left the room for a few minutes, and then she came back with a book and said, "I think I know what you have." She said that what I had was a worm called Ascaris.
Ascaris is a roundworm that infests the human digestive tract. When eggs are swallowed, they hatch into microscopic larvae that make their way from the small intestine into the bloodstream. There, they are carried to the lungs, where they climb up the host's airways and are swallowed back into the intestines. Here, they reach maturity and breed. Usually, adult worms stay in the digestive tract, where they can live undetected for years. But in Brittney's case, it's likely her fever made her body too hot for the worms. In this inhospitable environment, these Ascaris worms head for the nearest exit, crawling up her esophagus and into her airways, triggering her cough.
My biggest fear was that I was going to keep coughing up worms.
In extreme cases, Ascaris worms can cause secondary infections and intestinal blockages, which can be fatal.